Hi, in this video, so I'm going to show you how you can update your Nintendo 2DS. First things first, we're going to plug it in because you don't want it to update and then run out of juice halfway through. So plug it in just in case there's an issue with your battery, even if you are on full charge here. Now we're going to go all the way across to System Settings, which is this icon here, and enter into that. And now on this bit here, we want to go to Other Settings. And we want to work our way over. So go over to the right hand side, right again, and right again to the very last page here. Or you can simply just click up here on number 4. And we're going to go to System Update. Connect to the internet and update the system. Okay. And we just need to agree to the terms, read through that, either accept or decline. If you want to update, you're going to have to accept. And it says connecting to the internet, please wait. And now it's saying update, please wait, do not turn off the power. So just be patient and let it do its thing. I'm going to time how long it takes now. Right, that took 2 minutes and just over 10 seconds. So not long at all. And it says the system update is complete. The system will now be restarted. Okay. And there we go, the system has now been updated. Nice and straightforward. Thank you so much for watching.